My husband and I are flying to Kelowna. This plane is so tiny. This is Scout. And we are I am currently packing because my husband and I are flying to Kelowna and then staying in, I think it's Beaverdale, with my brother and sister-in-law and my niece. And then we're going to stay in Revelstoke with his parents for about a week after that. It's Friday and I have about an hour before I start work, so just trying to get all of this done as quickly as possible. Cam and I have decided to share a suitcase, which maybe is going to be a disaster, but I guess we will find out. I didn't even bother vlogging what I'm packing because it's mostly just stuff like this. This is going to be a really casual, low-key trip. Cam's parents live like 45 minutes outside of Revelstoke, so we're really just going to be hanging out with them at their cabin on the lake and not doing anything crazy.
1 hour later.
Okay, I think I am officially almost done packing. There's just a few little things that I need to grab, like my phone charger. Oh my gosh, I cannot forget to bring that. We ended up it being a little bit too heavy just to have one bag. So we're bringing this little duffel bag, big suitcase, and then this is just gonna be my carry-on where I'll put my purse and stuff. Now I just need to get some work done. I'm going to make my celery juice in a little bit, and then my mom is coming during like our lunch break to take us to the airport, and then because Cam and I both work remote, we can just continue working from the airport, and then our flight gets in kind of like right at the end of our workday. So it doesn't get too interrupted, which is amazing. This is gonna be my last celery juice for a while because we're gonna be gone for 12 days, I think. And as much as I'd love to bring my juicer with me, unfortunately that is not an option. So yeah, this is the last of it. And I know in the last vlog, I think I was saying that I felt like my skin had been good, but like the real test was gonna be after my period and like during my period, and we have come out the other end of that with like skin that has not had any breakouts whatsoever. So I'm kind of a convert now of this whole celery juice thing. I feel like I used to have such bad skin, like right here I'd get all these like little dots and stuff, and that's not really happening anymore. So I guess we will see if this all stays together while I'm gone without the celery juice, or if this is making a really big difference, which like I kind of feel like it is. Pumpkin spice latte season is upon us since it's officially September 2nd. And so I got this from Bloom to try. I just got it at Indigo, but they do sell it online as well. And it's pretty good. This is just like a good alternative to a Starbucks pumpkin spice latte because this has 1 gram of sugar per teaspoon, and PSL at Starbucks has like, I think 50 grams of sugar in it, which I think is more than like a soda. Not that I think we shouldn't be having any sugar. Obviously I sweetened this with some maple syrup, but the type of sugar that you eat does make a difference. And also when there's like a good healthier alternative like this, or like Smart Sweets, you know, why not? my brother and sister-in-laws. They're just making breakfast, and you can probably hear one of their dogs barking in the background. Today it's supposed to be pretty nice out, so I think we're gonna go to a river and hang out. I'm excited. They live on a farm, so it's pretty cool. Wonky, but this is Dyson hair day 2. And we are back. Hi, puppy. Look at this puppy. This is Scout. Stop it. So this is my brother and sister-in-law's farm. It's really cute. They just moved here this year, and so they're like working on a bunch of different projects, and they've built a bunch of stuff. They're pretty close to a river that we walk down to, and my niece right now is just taking a nap, so I thought I'd come out here and say hello and also end this vlog. I know it's going to be a really short one, but I just wanted to kind of bring you along with me as I was packing for this trip on our little travel day, and then now we are here. We're just gonna relax today, play some board games, hang out, and then in a couple of days we're gonna head back to Kelowna and then go to Revelstoke. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope that you've enjoyed it, and I guess I will see you on Wednesday